Welcome to our channel PC Troubleshooter. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Instagram in our computer or PC Windows 10. I will teach you in an easy way and step by step. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a comment below and give us a like. So the process to do that one is very easy. So the first thing that you have to do is go to the start button, click in there, and we are gonna look for this option, Microsoft Store. If you don't get that one in the menu, just simple type in Cortana Microsoft Store, and here we are. So just left click on that one. Okay, once the Microsoft Store is open, let's go to the top corner and click in search and type Instagram and click enter. If you realize the Instagram applications pop up straight away, just click in there. So once that one show up, just click get, and that one is gonna start downloading and installing the application in our computer. So let's go and wait until that one is done, and we are gonna continue with the video. Okay, as you realize that one is already installed in our Windows 10 computer, just close that one if you want, or click launch. Let's go and click launch. So if you realize here, the only thing that you have to do is sign in, just put your email and the password, and that's it. Before we go, I'm gonna teach you how to create a shortcut on the desktop. So the first thing that you have to do is type in Cortana Instagram. If you hear, because it's already installed there, just right click on that one and go to the option pin to the taskbar. And if you realize Instagram is already there, and just click that one, and that one is gonna open. So just sign in, and that's it. That is all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you on the next time.